You're gonna start small and then it's gonna grow. Start with one. Whatever you're doing, just start small. But you gotta be consistent at doing that, whatever that thing is that you're doing, your business, right? Mine just so happened to be real estate. And I was consistent at buying real estate and renting them out to the government. 5 years ago, I never would have thought it would have been there, right? I didn't even know. Like I knew, I actually made a post and said that I would build a multi-million-dollar company, real estate company. But I didn't know how I was going to do it, right? I didn't even worry about how. I just put it out there in the atmosphere. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a multi-million-dollar real estate company. I just said it. It was like 6 years ago. I posted that on Instagram. And I did it. Was it easy? No. Was it worth it? Yes. Would I do it again? Yes. Would I do something different? Yes. Because I learned like along the way, right? So yeah, I would do things different. And that's why I'm able to teach you guys how to do stuff. You get it? I know it's probably around the 4th of July. Everybody excited about the 4th. The holidays coming up. Well, the holidays are actually here. But yeah, that's why I just wanted to talk about that, man. You got to be disciplined with your money. I can't stress that enough because you're gonna get it. You need a plan for it. I came out with a budgeting app. I probably put it out there maybe what the day is. Probably one day next week. So you can grab it. It's free. Right, I'm not even charging for it. I was gonna charge for it, but I just said, you know what, just give it to them for free. Let them learn how to manage and budget their money. And once you learn how to budget your money on your personal side, then you'll be ready to learn how to budget your money in a business. Budget a business, you running a business. Because it's totally different. It's totally different than because it's a lot more money. It's a lot more moving parts with a business. And I would hope everybody on here would want to run their own business. Because that's what I'm here. That's what I'm talking about. Business. So if you're here, then you want to run a business, or you at least want to start your business, or you at least want to get business funding. Or you just maybe want to buy real estate. I don't know. But that's why I'm here. That's what I teach. And that's what I do. Right? So once again, if that's something you're interested in, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat. If that's something you're interested in, if you want to create your business, a LLC, get funded, buy real estate. If that's something you're interested in, then I'll drop the link in the chat, and then we can have a discussion. We could talk about it. I'll just go, Frederick, your mentor, book a call with me, and we can go over it. Let's see. Okay. So guys, do you have any questions for me at the time? Okay. Well, yeah, I have that video. It'll probably Monday or Tuesday. We'll have that budgeting tracker. It's called a budgeting tracker. So we'll have that. My team just texted me and told me we'll have that. We just missing a video, so we'll probably have it ready like Monday or Tuesday. So if you guys, I think it's free, right? I'm giving it to you for free. So you go on there, you put in all your information. It just track all your income, your outgoing, it track everything for you. It's pretty dope actually. So if you guys are not following me on YouTube, please go to YouTube, Frederick Your Mentor, Instagram, Frederick Your Mentor. Follow me on all platforms, TikTok, whatever you on, whatever your social media, Frederick Your Mentor. I appreciate the support. And if you don't have any questions on here, we're gonna be out. So, but yeah, please go on all social media and follow me on all platforms. And I will see you guys on next week.
Thank you.
Neil, the link that you posted that's the one for the consulting, right?
Yeah, do you have it?
I don't know if I can see it. Did you put it in the chat?
FrederickMentor.com. That one that take you to the website. Let me.
I remember you sent it to me, but I wasn't sure where you sent it to me at. As a matter of fact, I think.
Yeah, I don't know where I sent it to you at. Let's see.
Go ahead. Put this in the way. Okay, I see the link.
That's the link to my website. You should be able to get it from the website, but I'm gonna send you the direct link. Let me send you the direct link to it. Okay, check that link out right there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you got it?
I got it. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you. Comment, credit, and I'll send you the free resources.